In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you how to use Canva Code AI for beginners. So start by opening up Canva. Then next in the left panel, click on Canva AI. This is where you'll generate your design. So here in the text box, first select code and start typing a prompt. Start basic like create personal portfolio website or make a quiz about animals. Then click on the submit button. Make sure that you keep your instructions clear and short. Then Canva AI or Canva Code AI will then generate something instantly. Don't worry if it's not perfect, that's normal. And now edit what you see. You can click on elements, change text, colors, and layout, just like any Canva design. Now, if you want better results, refine your prompt. For example, make it modern, blue theme with three sections. The more details you add, the better it gets. Finally, preview your project and export or share it, and that's it. No coding skills needed. Just type, tweak, and create. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!